ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language input. ChatGPT's purpose is to serve as a conversational AI that can be integrated into various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and more. The significance of ChatGPT lies in its ability to significantly improve the way AI systems understand and respond to human language. This has major implications for a wide range of industries and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. With its ability to generate accurate and human-like responses, ChatGPT has the potential to improve user experiences, automate tasks, and bring about new advancements in the field of AI. In short, the impact of ChatGPT on society and AI technology is significant, as it represents a major step forward in the development of conversational AI and has the potential to shape the future of technology in many exciting ways. Advancements in NLP. ChatGPT represents a major advancement in the field of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human language. ChatGPT uses cutting-edge deep learning algorithms to process large amounts of text data and generate human-like responses. The improvements ChatGPT has made in the field of NLP are significant. It has greatly improved the ability of AI systems to understand and respond to human language, making them much more accurate and human-like. This has opened up new possibilities for the use of AI in various applications, such as customer service, content creation, and more. The impact of these advancements on the future of AI technology is also significant. As AI systems continue to improve in their ability to understand and respond to human language, they will become increasingly integrated into our daily lives and work. This will lead to improved user experiences and increased efficiency in a wide range of industries. In conclusion, the advancements made by ChatGPT in the field of NLP have the potential to greatly impact the future of AI technology and shape the way we interact with technology. These advancements will likely lead to new and innovative applications of AI, bringing about a brighter future for society. Increased automation. ChatGPT is being used to automate a variety of tasks, including customer service, content creation, and more. By using ChatGPT to process and respond to large amounts of data, businesses and organizations can free up time and resources that were previously devoted to these tasks. This can lead to increased efficiency and cost savings, as well as improved user experiences. The benefits of increased automation are clear. By automating tasks, organizations can reduce costs, increase efficiency, and provide more consistent and accurate responses to users. This can also lead to the creation of new jobs and the development of new technologies, as businesses look to take advantage of the opportunities provided by automation. However, there are also potential drawbacks to increased automation. One concern is the potential loss of jobs, as machines and algorithms replace human workers. Additionally, there is the possibility that automation may lead to a decrease in quality or accuracy, as machines may struggle to understand complex or nuanced information. In conclusion, the increased automation brought about by ChatGPT has both benefits and potential drawbacks. While it has the potential to bring about significant improvements in efficiency and cost savings, it is important to consider the potential consequences and ensure that automation is used in a responsible and ethical manner. Better user experiences. ChatGPT is enhancing user experiences by providing more accurate and human-like responses to natural language input. By improving the ability of AI systems to understand and respond to human language, ChatGPT is making it easier for users to interact with technology and get the information they need. This impact is being felt across a wide range of industries and applications. For example, in the customer service industry, ChatGPT is being used to provide more accurate and efficient responses to customer inquiries. In the content creation industry, ChatGPT is being used to generate high-quality and engaging content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. The benefits of better user experiences are significant. By providing users with more accurate and human-like responses, ChatGPT is making it easier for them to get the information they need and interact with technology. This is leading to increased satisfaction and improved user experiences across a wide range of applications. In conclusion, the impact of ChatGPT on user experiences is significant and is being felt across many industries and applications. With its ability to provide more accurate and human-like responses, ChatGPT has the potential to shape the way we interact with technology and bring about new advancements in the field of AI. The future of AI. ChatGPT fits into the broader context of AI technology as a major advancement in the field of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a subfield of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human language, and ChatGPT represents a major step forward in this area. The future of AI is exciting, and we can expect to see many new advancements and innovations in the coming years. As AI systems continue to improve in their ability to understand and respond to human language, we can expect to see increased automation and improved user experiences across a wide range of industries and applications. Additionally, we can expect to see new and innovative applications of AI in areas such as healthcare, finance, and more. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, the potential for new discoveries and innovations is virtually limitless. In conclusion, the future of AI is bright, and ChatGPT represents a significant step forward in this field. With its ability to provide more accurate and human-like responses, ChatGPT has the potential to shape the way we interact with technology and bring about new advancements and innovations in the field of AI. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the impact of ChatGPT on society and the future of AI technology. We discussed how ChatGPT has made significant advancements in the field of NLP, increased automation, and improved user experiences. We also considered how ChatGPT fits into the broader context of AI technology and what we can expect from AI in the future. In conclusion, ChatGPT represents a major step forward in the field of AI, with its ability to provide more accurate and human-like responses to natural language input. Its impact on society and the future of AI technology is significant, and we can expect to see new advancements and innovations in the coming years. As AI continues to evolve and improve, it is important that we consider the potential consequences and ensure that these technologies are used in a responsible and ethical manner. Thank you for watching.